3 methods for finding your Windows PC serial number. Every Windows PC comes with a serial number or a unique ID that's used to identify your device. There are a lot of reasons why you might need your PC's serial number, from managing your organization's inventory to checking its warranty. Before we begin, subscribe to Ninjaone's YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to find your PC's serial number using command prompt. The first way to find your PC's serial number is through command prompt. First, open your Windows search bar and type CMD, which will start command prompt. From there, finding your serial number is as simple as typing the following command. Make sure you've typed this command correctly, especially with the spaces. Press Enter, and your serial number should appear on your screen. How to find your PC's serial number using PowerShell. The second method we'll discuss is finding your PC's serial number with PowerShell. As with the previous method, you'll start by opening the Windows search bar, then type PowerShell to start the program. This time, the command you'll want to type is the following. Again, double check and make sure that you've typed this exact command with the spaces and special characters included. This command will pull up your serial number. How to find your PC's serial number using BIOS. The last method we'll discuss today is using BIOS, the most technical but useful for retrieving your PC's serial number without Windows. Furthermore, keep in mind that these steps may look different depending on your device's manufacturer. First, restart your computer. While your device is starting up, press either the Delete, F2, F10, or Escape key to pull up the BIOS interface. Once BIOS is launched, navigate to either the System Information or Main tab, depending on the manufacturer's specifications. Your Windows PC's serial number will be in one of these tabs, and from there you can either write it down or take a photo for reference. And there you have it. 3 methods for finding the serial number of your Windows PC. Subscribe to Ninjaone's YouTube channel for more tech content like this.